How to add calendar countdown widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, so if you want to add calendar countdown widget on lock screen, so click on widgets. So after click on widgets, you will see click on calendar. So after click on calendar, you will see countdown is here. So you will select countdown calendar from here. So after select countdown calendar and click on done. So you will see countdown calendar is add on lock screen. So after the process, click on done, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add calendar countdown widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.